Do you happen to have some eggs in your house? Well, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a very easy egg stew recipe that is very easy and delicious. So I'm going to start off by chopping one white onion. You can use any onion that you have in the house. Once done, I'm going to be transferring my onions in a pan over medium heat. Add in some garlic. I love some garlic flavor in my eggs. Next, I'm going to be chopping up my 2 tomatoes. So I'm going to be cooking the onions until soft. Once the onion is ready, I'm going to be adding in my tomatoes. Add in a little bit of water so that the tomatoes can cook through. So I'm going to give my tomatoes around 1 minute. I'm going to be adding in some seasoning to my pan. So I'm going to add in a little bit of salt. And also I'm going to be adding in a seasoning cube. Stir in the seasoning in my tomatoes and let the tomatoes cook while I crack in 6 eggs. I'm going to crack in a small bowl and transfer to a larger bowl just to make sure that the eggs are fresh. Next, I'm going to add in seasoning to my eggs. I'm going to add in a little bit of black pepper, like a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and a touch of salt because we've already added salt in our pan. Using a fork, I'm going to whisk in the seasoning into the eggs. Check on my pan, and the tomatoes are cooking through. I'll use the back of my spatula and mash up the tomatoes a little bit. Once done, I'm going to add in my eggs. Reduce the flames to medium-low and let the egg cook as you scramble. You can cook your eggs to your preference. I like mine well done. Turn off the heat because I don't want to overcook my eggs. This is how my egg stew is looking, and it's cooked to perfection. I love how it's looking, and it's very delicious, and it's also well seasoned. I hope you'll be trying out this amazing egg stew recipe and enjoy with some ugali or some rice. Catch you on my next episode.